And then what did he do? He said them that what you have to follow, right? Buddha, these first preachings are called Dharma Chakra Parvatanam. What it is called, beta? Dharma Chakra Parvatanam. Okay. The means what he gave his according to him. There were four Arya truths. Okay. क्या थे? Four Arya truths. Okay. First, the world is full of miseries. Okay. Miseries मतलब सारे दुख, right? The cause of suffering is the greed or a strong desire. What it is? What it is, beta? મને નથી મારા પેપરમાં
Attire.
Yes. The cause of misery is the desire to get some things, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hassan, read this. Buddha's great reformer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my voice is coming now.
Yes, it's coming.
Yes, ma'am. Buddha is a great
मैम मैं
reformer.
ऐड करो पढ़िए इसमें।
Yes, ma'am. Buddha is a great
हेलो मैम।
reformer. Buddha
हाँ
was a
बेटा.
great.
मैम मैं रीड करो पढ़िए नहीं सफेद।
Yes, Paryani Shafik, read बेटा.
ओके मैम कहाँ से रीड करो?
ये Buddha as a great reformer.
ओके मैम। बुद्धा is a great reformer. Buddha was a great religion and social reformer. He worked lifelong to eliminate what मैम ये क्या है?
Eliminate. Eliminate.
Eliminate the pollutions in religion and society. He had many displeased many king and stage states were इनको यू क्या है मैम?
What?
ये
Encourage.
क्या है?
Encourage.
encouraged encouraged by his human religion. He did the following reforms. Number one, denial
Denial.
denial of God as soul. Buddha denied.
Uh, Beta, read the
God.
spelling correctly.
Okay, ma'am. Buddha
Hmm?
denied God and soul and give important to Christmas.
No, beta, it's not Christmas. Read the spelling properly. Okay. Now, Buddha was a great social reformer, right? बुद्धा क्या थे बेटा? ही वॉज अ ग्रेट सोशल रिफॉर्मर. जो सोसाइटीज में सोशल में जो चेंजेस लाते हैं उसे क्या बोलते हैं? सोशल रिफॉर्मर. ओके. नाउ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रिफॉर्म्स डिड ही मेक दैट वी विल सी. ओके. he had made many disciples. उन्होंने बहुत सारे disciples बनाए थे. disciples मतलब follower. yes. yes.
Yes.
He made many disciples. Many kings and states were encouraged by his human religion. बहुत सारे people उससे attracted थे. They were very much excited. Yes, Buddha is teaching good. He is doing good job. He is doing good work for the entire human religion, right? Yes. What was
Yes, ma'am.
and so he did following reforms. ये सारे चेंजेस जो नीचे अब हम पढ़ेंगे वो सारे चेंजेस बुद्धा ने सोसाइटी में लाने चाहिए, जैसे डिनाइल ऑफ गॉड एंड सोल। मतलब के डिनाइल ऑफ गॉड एंड सोल मतलब के व्हाट, कि अपनी आत्मा पे विश्वास रखो, राइट। बुद्धा डिनायल एंड गॉड गॉड एंड सोल एंड गेव importance to what? Karmaism. What did he give importance to? Karmaism. According to him, if there was God, okay, sorrows would not have been there. दुख तो होता ही नहीं, right? But instead of indulging in all these, yes, instead of indulging in all this in welfare of soul, one should have virtuous life, virtuous life in present. That was his first good life, right? A life which is different from others. Yes, you should have, a good moral values and all this, right? Opposite of rituals. Then what, beta? Opposite of rituals. Yes. Opposite of what, beta?
Ritual.
यस, रिचुअल्स मतलब कि जो आप यज्ञ के टाइम पे वो लोग क्या करते थे, किसी भी एनिमल्स की आहुति चढ़ाते थे, so that was not good, है ना, that was not good, so he opposed that also, right,
Yes.
right, so he
Yes.
opposed, हाँ बेटा, the greatest duty and non-violence, and what else did he oppose?
Non-mental.
Yes, he opposed non-violence also, right, so that people do not beat each other, fight with each other, right? All this way. Is it clear? The
Yes,
greatest
ma'am.
way
Clear.
of all human beings is to treat animals non-violently. Is to treat people non-violently, right? मतलब we don't have to beat each other, we don't have to fight with each other like that way, right? Then the third is opposition of discrimination. Thank you. The opposition of discrimination. Okay. Is it clear? What is it? What does it mean? कि ऊंच नीच नहीं करना है ना, किसी भी रिलीजन के किसी भी पीपल को आपको ऊंच नीच से नहीं देखना है, यू टू फॉलो ईच एंड एवरीवन इक्वली, राइट, राइट।
Yes, ma'am. Right.
This way basically his teachings, okay, other than that, अगर आप हाई, then what beta, if you are born in high family, that does not make anyone great. What does it do? That does not make anyone great. Clear? Yeah. Yes or
ma'am.
no?
Clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah. So to become a great, you should do great deeds. What should you do? Great
What,
deeds.
ma'am?
Yeah.
What?
Great work करनी चाहिए. Right? Then only you can become great. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what does he say? He becomes great by his deeds. Okay? By his consciousness. Right? By following the path of truth and non-violence. By what, beta? Truth, सच्चाई. जो Gandhi ji has also shown this path to us. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Beta, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, very good.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
importance of woman. He also encouraged the importance of woman. Yes, why? Because women were all the way not given importance on that time, right? So he tried to bring importance of women in the society. He said that path of nirvana is not for men. Women can also achieve nirvana through sadhana and duty. So all these were Buddha's reforms, changes that he brought. Okay, clear, clear,
Yes, ma'am, clear.
clear. Yes, beta Hassan, revise this once. Hassan, revise. Hassan Kapasi.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, ma'am, from dimensional of God and soul.
Little louder, Hassan.
Ma'am, the from first point dimensional of God and soul. From that.
Hassan,
Yes, ma'am.
little louder. Or set your mic near your mouth.
Yes, ma'am. Now.
Yes, now clear.
Yes. First, dimensional of God and soul. Buddha denied God and soul and gave importance to karmas. According to him, if there was God, sorrows would not have been there. Instead of indulging in welfare of soul, one should live a virtuous life in the present.
Very
Second
good.
point. Second point. Opposition to rituals.
Rituals, ritual.
Ritual. Yes, ritual. He opposed ritual performed in Hinduism and the sacrifice of animals in the youngness. He said that
Yagnas,
non
yagnas, beta.
yagnas, yes, yagnas. He said that non-violence is the highest value. The greatest duty of all human beings.
1 minute. Hassan,
Ma'am,
I'll present again.
yes.
Chalo. Yes, Hassan, read now.
Yes, ma'am. Second one, opposition to rituals. He opposed the rituals performed in
Hassan, your voice
Hinduism.
is not coming.
Yes. Second, opposition to rituals. He opposed the rituals performed in Hinduism and the sacrifice of animals in the yagnas. He said that non-violence is the highest value. The great duty of all human beings is to treat animals non-violently. Third, opposition of
Very good.
discrimination of high and low. At this time, Hinduism was divided into four varnas: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Sudra. Buddha opposed this varna system. He said being born in a high family does not make anyone great. He becomes great by his deeds. By his
Yes, by his own deeds. Deeds matlab karma, right? We
yes,
become great by our
yes,
deeds, right?
yes, by his conscience. By following the path of truth and non-violence, he highly opposed the discrimination of high and low prevailing in the society. Fourth point, importance of woman. Buddha gave equal importance to woman as to men. He said that the path of nirvana is not only for men. Women can also achieve nirvana through
Throw
sadhana
means
and
through.
duty. Through Sadhana and duty.
हाँ,
Nirvana. Yes. Nirvana.
साधना है ड्यूटी.
Duty. Yes. Sadhana and duty. Nirvana. Buddha attained enlightenment in the shadow of the Bodhi tree on Vaishak.
बौद्धा ट्री.
Yes, both Vaishak Purnima.
वैशाख पूर्णिमा.
Vaishak Purnima by acquiring knowledge. Buddha
एक्वायरिंग.
acquiring knowledge. Buddha continued reforming society and religion in India. He led many people towards right righteous path, giving preachings of truth and non-violence. He opposed eating of non-vegetarian food as high and low discrimination. He died at the age of 80 years in Kushinara and attained nirvana. But his ideas and religion is still alive in the world.
यस. निर्वाणा मतलब उनको मोक्ष कब मिला था, तब उसके बारे में बात हो रही है. क्या हो रही है? बुद्धा अटेन एनलाइटमेंट. बुद्धा अटेन एनलाइटमेंट व्हेन, ऑन विच डे?
80.
On Vaishak Purnima.
Yes.
Where did he attain? On Vaishak
Vaishak
Purnima.
Purnima.
Is it clear? On Vaishak Purnima. Okay. By acquiring knowledge, Buddha continued reforming society and religion in India. What did he do, beta? Hassan, what did he do?
Acquiring knowledge in India.
Yes. And acquiring knowledge. Why? So that he can teach people also the same, right? Right? He led many people towards righteous path, giving preachings of truth and non-violence. Okay. He opposed eating of non-vegetarian food and high and low discrimination also he opposed. Right? He died at the age of 80 years in Kushinara and attained nirvana. But his ideas are still there. Yes, his ideas are still there with us, right?
Yes.
His ideas are still with us and we still teach people, right? Still people have been taught, right? Still, we are also learning about his ideas today also in our history chapter.
Yes.
That is the greatest example of that. Yes or no?
Yes.
Beta, Hakena, all of you, why no one is replying except one boy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Others, what about you all?
Ma'am, yes.
Chalo. Now we will see about Mahavir Swami. Yes, beta, read Hassan, Mahavir Swami.
Yes, ma'am. Mahavir Swami. Jaisim also has an important place in India society like Buddhism. There are total 24 Tirthankars. What is written, ma'am?
Tirthankar.
Yes. Tirthankars in Jainism.
Jainism.
Jaisinam.
Jainism.
Jaisinam. Okay.
Le? Jainism.
Jainism.
Very good.
Agams are the main source of knowing about Jainism. According to this text, the first Tirthankara of Jaisinam was
Rishabhadev.
Rishabdev or Adinath. 23rd Tirthankara was Parshvanath.
What?
Parshvanath was
Parshvanath.
Parshvanath. Yes, Parshvanath. Parshvanath was the son of King Ashvanes of Kashi. He left home at the age of 30 and became a hermit and preached. Yes, preach Jainism. Preach
Jainism.
Jainism. Yes. He opposed Vedic religion and rituals and
Rituals.
rituals and caste system. He caste system. He gave the preaching of truth, non-violence, ST and non-possessive. What is written, ma'am? Possessiveness.
Possessiveness.
Possessiveness. After him, Mahavir Swami was the 24th and last Tirthankar. We will learn about him. Tirthankar, we will learn about him.
Yes.
Yes,
Hello.
Mahavir Swami. Ma'am, you explain or I read?
Yes. Yeah, complete this paragraph. Then I'll explain.
Okay. Mahavir Swami early life. Mahavir Swami was born in Natrak street. Yeah. Ma'am, what is written? Spelling was
Spelling read
Nat,
करो बेटा.
Natrak Striya Nasti
Hmm.
of Kundgram, Republic of Vaji Union. His childhood name was Vardhaman.
Vardhaman.
Vardhaman. Vardhaman. His father Siddhartha was the king of the republic. Mahavir Swami's mother name was Trishla Devi.
Vishla Devi.
Trishla Devi. His elder brother name was Nandivardhan. Like Gautam Buddha, Mahavir Swami was also a prince. Thus, he acquired knowledge of Buddha. Mahavir Swami was knowledge of many arts. He was married to Princess Yashoda. His daughter's name was Priya Darshini.
Priya Darshini.
Priya Darshini.
Yes, very good. Now, same as just we have learned everything about Gautam Buddha. We will learn everything about Mahavir Swami. Okay? Is it clear, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mahavir Swami, he followed Jainism. What did he follow? Jainism also was important place in the Indian society. What was it? In the Indian society, like how Buddhism was. है ना? Like how Buddhism was, Jainism was also given equal importance. Right? There are total 24 Tirthankars. How many Tirthankars are there?
24.
Yes. How many are there?
24 Tirthankars.
24 Tirthankars means what, you know? Anyone knows what is it? Does it mean there are 24 Tirthankars? Okay. Means Jainism. No?
Ma'am means who telling who's walking on
Okay.
truth.
Shall I say? એટલે કે
Yes, sir.
24 भगवान जो भगवान बन चुके हैं वैसे कितने हैं 24 ओके महावीर स्वामी इज वन ऑफ देम ओके बेटा agams are the main source of knowing about Jainism. Agams are the books, okay? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes. According to this text, the first Tirthankar of Jainism was Rishabhadev or Adina. Who was the first Tirthankar, beta?
Uh,
Who was the first Tirthankar?
Ashwanis of
Rishabhadev or Adinath. Okay.
okay, Rishabh
23rd
Dev.
Tirthankar was Parshvanath. Who was he, beta?
What,
Who
ma'am?
was he?
Parshvanathu.
Parshvanathu, nahi, Parshvanath Bhagwan. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Parshvanath Bhagwan. Now, Parshvanath was the son of Ashwin of Kashi. He left home at the age of 30 to become a hermit and preach Jainism. And preach what, beta? Jainism. See, like this way the Mahavir Swami's photo is shown. Can you see? Can you see, beta? Yes, he opposed Vedic religion and ritual and caste system. What did he oppose? What did he make people understand?
Religion
About
and ritual.
rituals and caste systems.
Yes.
He gave the preaching of truth and non-violence as asti and non-possessiveness. After him, Mahavir Swami was the 24th and the last Tirthankar. Who was Mahavir Swami, beta?
Mahavir
20
Swami.
and the last Tirthankar. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Boys, only one boy is replying. Others?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes? Okay. Very good. Now, Mahavir Swami's early life we will see. Mahavir Swami was born in Gantak, Kshatriya. Where was he born?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta. 1 minute, beta, 1 minute.
Mm. 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 Mm.
Yes. So, Mahavir Swami's early life now we are learning. Okay. Now, Mahavir Swami was born in Gantak Kshatriya dynasty of Kundargram. Where was he born?
In
Kshatriya
Natrak.
dynasty. Okay.
Yes.
Where was he born?
Ma'am, Natrak
Yes.
Kshatriya
Dynasty
Nasti.
of Kundargram, Republic of Vaji Union. His childhood name was Vardhaman. What was his childhood name, beta?
Vardhaman.
हाँ. जैसे गौतम बुद्ध का क्या था?
मैम के वो
सिद्धार्था सिद्धार्था
यस, अंडरस्टूड। सेम में इनका क्या था? हाँ,
मैम एक इनका
वर्धमान।
यस
ओके,
वर्धमान
and his father name was what? His father name was Mahavir Swami's father name was
सिद्धार्थ
Siddhartha, and he was
यस
the king of
सिद्धार्थ
Republic. Okay, and his mother name was Trishla Devi. What was his mother's name?
कृष्णा देवी
कृष्णा देवी।
Krishna nahi, okay, Trishla Devi. Okay, his elder brother name was नंदी वर्धन। ओके, उनके जो एल्डर ब्रदर थे उनका नाम था नंदी वर्धन। इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर
यस
क्लियर?
मैम क्लियर।
यस
ओके,
मैम
चलो। From here till his father's and mother's introduction will continue in the next class. Okay?
मैम
Is it clear? चलो।